Xiaomi Projector L1 Pro, 3D movies at home. Imagine enjoying the immersive thrill of 3D movies without leaving your living room. The Xiaomi L1 Pro projector makes this possible, offering a cinematic experience complete with vibrant visuals, deep contrast, and lifelike depth. Whether you're a movie buff or looking for a unique way to spend time with family, this projector brings the magic of the theater to your home. Sleek, powerful, and designed for home entertainment, the Xiaomi L1 Pro sports a modern, compact design that fits seamlessly into any home decor. Its elegant finish and minimal footprint make it both a functional and stylish addition to your entertainment setup. Don't be fooled by its size. This projector is packed with power. Featuring full HD resolution 1920x1080, HDR10 support, and a bright, vivid image, it's built to impress. It also comes with a powerful built-in speaker system, providing rich and clear audio, so you don't always need external sound systems for a great viewing experience. Easy setup and portability. The L1 Pro is designed with user convenience in mind. It's lightweight and easy to set up, perfect for people who like flexibility in where and how they watch. You can place it on a table, mount it, or move it from room to room effortlessly. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing even beginners to get started quickly. Setting up for 3D movie magic. To experience 3D, you'll need active shutter 3D glasses that are compatible with the Xiaomi L1 Pro. These glasses work in sync with the projector to deliver crisp, immersive visuals. Connect your 3D content source like a 3D Blu-ray player, gaming console, or supported streaming device using a high-speed HDMI cable. Once connected, simply go into the projector settings, enable 3D mode, and choose the correct 3D format side by side or top and bottom. Xiaomi's menu system makes it easy to customize your viewing experience for optimal comfort and performance. Immersive 3D entertainment at home. The Xiaomi L1 Pro breathes new life into movies and games. Popular 3D titles like Avatar, Life of Pi, or The Hobbit look stunning with enhanced depth and realism. Explosions burst forward, landscapes stretch infinitely, and characters seen within reach. The projector's image brightness and contrast ensure 3D visuals are vibrant, not dull. Gaming in 3D is just as exciting, offering a new dimension of interaction and immersion. Whether you're racing, flying, or exploring vast open worlds, the 3D effects make every experience more engaging.